So in the last lecture, we executed this piece of JavaScript code inside of a browser. In this lecture, I'm going to show you how to run the same code in Node. So I'm assuming that you have installed Node on your machine. If not, head over to nodejs.org and download the latest version of Node. Now, if you're on Windows, open up Command Prompt. If you're on Mac, open up Terminal and head over to the folder you created earlier. Now in this folder, we run node and pass the name of our JavaScript file, that is index.js. We get the same message on the console. So you can see Node is a program that includes Google's V8 JavaScript engine. We can give it a piece of JavaScript code and it will execute that code for us, just like how we can execute some JavaScript code in a browser. So Node is a runtime environment for executing JavaScript code. Now let me show you a tip. Here in VS Code, we have an integrated terminal, so you don't have to explicitly open up a separate terminal window. So here on the top, under the View menu, look, we have integrated terminal. Note the shortcut here. That's the shortcut for Mac. On Windows, you're going to have a different shortcut. So select this, and here's our integrated terminal pointing to the same folder where we created our files. So you don't have to explicitly navigate to this folder. And here we can run node index.js as well. Now in this course, we're not going to work with Node anymore because Node is a completely separate topic. In fact, I have a comprehensive course about Node with 14 hours of content. So once you finish this course, if you want to learn Node, you can always look at my Node course.